What's up, guys? Devin with Venture Hobby Passion back today doing another video. Today we are just going to go mess around with a local mountain to me and get some practice time on the drone slash some good pictures of the truck. I missed the sunset. Alright. Should we go up that? We're in two-wheel drive, so let's try it. Alright, can't make it in two-wheel drive. Alright, well, we stalled coming down. So we'll get her done this time, no problem. Freaking low, locker locked, four-wheel drive. Alright, I guess we don't need freaking all the wheel speed to get up it. But look at those. That sunset. I missed it. I tried to get a drone shot of it. But yeah. Alright, well, here's some glamour shots of Katie. All right next to Utah Lake in Utah. Still somewhat frozen over right there during the time of the filming of this video. Let's freaking love where I live. Got a Flex Tacoma. Found a rock. Gotta try to be like a Toyota, like a Jeep. So we flexed out. Let's show you a little bit closer. So yeah, she's tucked, nice and tight. I need to change this tire because she's 6 inches off the ground or more. Frick, I wish I could have someone. The top of the door is above my head. So let's go look at the other side. Here's the rear end. She's tucked pretty good. No rub there. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, here's some glamour shots of playing on this rock, some flexing out. Like I said in the video, gotta be kind of like a Jeep. I do love playing on that rock. It's pretty fun to drive up on. Funny story about climbing on this rock, I'm all by myself, so no spotting. The first time I did it, I actually hit my A-arm. But, you know, we're learning. And then also right here is my, third time ever flying my drone, so I'm trying to get better at flying the drone so I can get some cool shots that way. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy it. The rest of this video is the playing around with the good old drone, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy. Alright, well, hopefully you'll enjoy today's video. This is going to be concluding the video. Just went and played on the mountain all by myself, just in my truck, enjoying life. So, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.